Make I start with you, Dr. Ethel Ekpekun. Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
So you may say you join us on top of our show this morning. Dr. Ethel, make I first ask you before we begin to even talk. As a medical practitioner here for Nigeria, how you would describe your experience over the years?
Okay. Since when I don't finish medical school, well, as I go, things they different. The experience they different. Okay. Initially, it be like say too bad, but as we continue, when they enter, because when you start, you don't know as everything be.
Of course.
But as you as I don't continue, when they enter the main part of medical practice, you can't say you get plenty things we no good. You get plenty things we no settle. The equipment ready for hospital, they're not adequate. Then even training opportunities for people may they get better, because better may be say as we know now, the world they advance, everything they change, people they improve. So go good say you go there for the same place where you did 10 years ago up until now, and things they change, facilities they improve, equipment they improve, everything. So you suppose they up to date.
Of course.
And another thing we say, economic changes don't they happen. And as doctors, we be essential workers. We know if get another person if you do the work with doctor they do.
True.
So and health is very paramount. Health they important well. So it is important may these doctors and every health worker may their welfare, may they okay, may they give the healthcare the kind may they offer the services where patients need.
Yes.
So now the thing say as I don't reach where I did now, I don't see say get plenty problem with it for Nigeria. Now the reason why many people they unsatisfied, they know they okay with the way they practice, because as health workers, the thing where they drive you be say okay, they do everything where I feel do for my patients.
Yes.
But if you don't get facility, they don't pay you well, they secure. You go find what's better for you. Some people go even say, okay, I don't finish med school. But as they look this healthcare, it be like saying they okay. So me, I go bank. That one and that kind of brain drain.
Yes.
Don't be say you the brain where they drain go outside. This one, if you drain inside your own country, but you go drain go another place. So instead of you you don't finish school, maybe you be doctor. You can't say, oh no, I don't go be doctor. I go be musician. I go be banker. I go do another thing. We go better for me, I go dissatisfied. So that kind of thing.
Our organs were there side there, studio here with us. So Stephen, give us this. I know say intensive care unit say you dey work, not be here, not be small matter. How your experience be over time?
Well, it not be the same thing. Just like my colleague just talked now. Say for training, not be waiting with the expect. Where would they see as we they work? It get as the matter don't be recently. When you use, take for instance, where COVID will just happen, when would they train for training opportunity, where she just talk now? Reach many people get that waiting be intensive care units. They feel just point out for you saying I hear a day. You get, and if you not even enter, if you enter during training, you don't even know waiting they happen for inside that place as you come out. As brain they drain come out for Nigeria. Brain they drain inside Nigeria as it be for nurses, because as it be so now, many nurses know they practice nursing again. They pay. So as it happen like that, we be say our security for people like me, we be say I know they work for government, because I know reason why I know they work for government. My conscience no fear allow me as a nurse. We be say you go day, your patient go they die. We be saying oxygen. Now be a problem. Even what we they call oxygen saturation, you don't even know how the patient won't be. And patient don't bleed. Patient come with almost coma for inside emergency. You don't know what thing they happen to this patient. And a lot of government facility don't even get ICU. When we talk of ICU, even when you talk about improvising ICU, you get the one where we say we they improvise. Where doctor, nurses, technician go come, bring one or two things together, make it be say you they provide intensive care for patients. You not go even see those things where you feel gather do them for government facilities. So it's heartbreaking. Where we say you as a health worker, you go just day, if you help your patient, and patient go they die. So
let me say, when you look at these people and say they work come out, you not to blame them be that now.
No, for me, if you leave me, where we say like say Steve, you go waka. Two reasons, because you got three levels of people where we say we they practice as health workers. People where they private practice, the one where they call private practice. People where they work for government, you get, and this set of people, people where they work for federal and state government. These three set of people, the only people where they do well na people where they private practice. Because we know camp our politicians join. You understand? Yes. Where they say like Minister of Health and all those people. Them na politicians they be. Many of them not even as my colleague they are, so they not even feel write prescription again. You get what in they write na check na in they sabi and look at documents where they consign their politics. But see be like this now where they say you there for private practice kuma. One person go there they oppress you. Labor know if he come for you. So now the insecurity where should they talk about be that. You dey government practice where they say they do conhests and commed. Person where they do cleaner for America, where they say now your cousin go to oppress you for house. And you be medical doctor for Nigeria. You know, all those ones where they say no go they give you joy for your work. So instead they say make you waka come out. If you see road, you go waka.
So can I tell you go waka?
That decision, no be small one. But the thing be say the things where they make person come out. The strong part the thing wey go make you stay. And the thing be say government suppose think am like this say. We
need to say one opportunity to come. That's not going to even think am 2 times.
You no need to think am 2 times. So the government suppose work say okay, what I go do where the things wey go keep people inside here, they go strong past the things wey go push them outside.
So how na take dey manage all these years with 5,000 naira we say they call hazard allowance?
I been no one talk am before, but that thing, I don't know how. I don't know how we they manage. You self think am. What it be 5,000 naira now? Hazard. Everything where people they do, blood go touch you. A patient go beat you. Patient go, you go get infection. People feel die self. But on top of that one, 5,000 naira hazard allowance. Now you they collect. Meanwhile, some people they collect sitting allowance on inside million. So I don't know. We don't tell government. We don't discuss. We don't try everything. But nothing don't change up till now. Okay, even now, why we still there on strike as a resident doctor? Now part of the things.
Doctor, make I ask you a question, not vessel. As people they work, you don't talk one thing really very important. Say, of course, when person starts inside school, you don't say that time your parents say they support you. Now go do something. Now still 300. They do practical too, but you not gonna understand say it don't bad as it be until you come out now. This a person don't reach that level. You don't see things for yourself. You don't finish school. Whether not with obsolete equipment or not, you don't come out. You don't start work. You don't see things come bad. For people when they say come manage, reach that airport, come work out, go another place. I should say then they communicate with Susan. Then they find that easy in terms of the standard of training. You know, when we say they that side and waiting there our side, it is easy for them to just merge. When they don't cross over, how you take our own standard of training for a year?
No, our own standard of training, the training where they collect, where they receive for medical school is very okay.
Oh, really?
But the thing we say, as you don't finish medical school, you're not supposed to stay there. As I don't talk, we say, everything they advance, things they change. There are new ways of treating things. So all those new things, now those other people get ahead of us.
I see.
Because they don't advance. Everything, like, see, as my colleague here talks, say, when you reach ICU, you get some small things. You get some hospital where you go come. Person they unconscious. You know if you check anything. Now only maybe stethoscope. Even stethoscope self, you know go see.
So say you mean say when they don't reach there, let me say for instance now, organos, you enter that area now, you understand. What will be the first thing we say go you feel say you go confront. I don't say you work for private sector. So at least they get some kind modern equipment there. Make assume say you they work for state government side. You know, how you think say you go fit and blend in. You go need to start another training. Your colleagues who don't go there, waiting then they meet.
Well, make I just clear you for this one now.
Okay.
Waiting there be say the training where would they get here? In fact, make I use style praise Nigeria government.
Okay.
Now we they get the cheapest medical training.
Oh wow.
Both for doctors and nurses. You get. Even though say we they
no call and cheapest and they get the most affordable.
Oh, less,
You need to say una they pay, no they too pay plenty, but una they get standard training, okay.
Yes, because say we still they meet up with the for nurses. You get what they call ICN, International Council of Nursing.
Okay.
So now these people now then they form curriculum.
Okay.
When they take train boats for the first world and Nigeria can they partake for them.
I see.
You get. So, you know they're too hard for us, especially people who do diploma.
Yes.
You know they're too hard for us. Say, you go US, you go UK, make it come hard for you to blend. Now make it be say, US, they hire us directly.
I see.
UK, they hire us directly. So, if say, for instance, say I work for government setting, where I can't come out, I feel say my biggest problem or biggest challenge where I go face for there, now, equipment. You know here, people they don't work. where we dey we still dey for 1900. Where about Macaulay them leave us. Now there we still dey for. If you talk about government facility, I'm not joking.
That's true.
On many government facilities, the thing where they see, and it's not fair to Nigerian people because Nigerian people they pay tax, they vote these people in. When you reach hospital, you're supposed they get at least the basic health care.
The money can't they go now?
We don't know because them they know they come.
Supposed to get the basic health care. Where at least for the normal Nigerian man, me and you, when we reach hospital, we're supposed to get health is life. Health is the only reason why you feel sit down here, me I feel sit down here, that because say we not sick. If you sick, you know feel sit down here.
Don't be lie.
So now, at least the basic thing, even make it affordable, at least make it accessible, make it available.
Yes.
Make you can't afford the healthcare self. Everything now is very important. Now when they talk, say our government, make they prioritize health. May they increase the money where they put for inside health.
Yes.
Instead where they pay themselves millions. May they think and say, okay, these people will be Nigerian people. All these people where they don't get money like this. At least may we make health. May they affordable for them.
No, number 2, number 3.
So another thing, we say the people where they work, may they at least make their day okay. And even these people where they work, may it be say they get the things where they go feel work. Yes. Because now, even the people where they government, some of them go they make different rules. We no favor health. True. See, you go call now for the lowest. This recently they come out people where they start as a house officers, house job people. They come out there from scheme of service. Let me say they change the way they go pay them. So when people think about this thing, like if you're picking be doctor where they learn doctor for school. When you call say, okay, this health sector, it be like say the thing don't scatter. You self, you go advise your pikin, say, okay, may no continue this thing. So who go call enter become doctor? Who go call enter become nurse? Nobody go there. If person no train finish to become doctor or nurse, who go call there for the hospital?
Not be lie.
Say na equipment go treat your pikin or your people. So you go encourage, you go do everything we go make the health sector. They okay, comfortable for people. Make them say, okay, I don't see this too. I go want to become doctor. I go want to become nurse.
I bet you don't drop very important matter. At least 4 points I don't get from her now. From your own point of view, what do you feel say government supposed to do now to begin to correct this matter? Or else we go wake up one day, we not go see anybody for hospital again. Eh?
Make I talk the one way in my mind.
Okay.
One thing where she mentioned, where be say, I want make I talk on where be say. Government putting money in the health sector.
Yes.
Not be to put money for health sector be matter. Then they put money every year. Now person sit down one place, they chop this money.
I mean, no, the person will be saying they always put as commissioner for health. Instead of not pass through the healthcare system for
the thing they confuse me because if you remember what happened with our present Minister of Health and Bajamila during COVID.
Yes.
When he say he don't know whether they pay us allowance or whether they know they pay us allowance, he said at temperature with a check. COVID where we say nobody don't ever hear about them. You say na normal temperature with the check, say no. So the thing boil people heart. Yes, the thing, even myself, I call the shout for nurses.
So the minister can't talk one time say we get so many doctors, say we even they export themselves.
So the thing can't they shocktalize everybody. Say you will be saying now you be papa of the house. Now you they speak for nurses, doctors, pharmacists, everybody. You can't they say you don't know whether they pay us allowance. That one makes sense. It break many people heart. Even me, when we say I can't go social media, they shout for my colleagues, say, may nobody work. The video can't go viral. At the end of the day, they can't begin the amend things. Where we say some nurses fee, get mine, enter isolation center. Because me, I follow work for the isolation work. Now, until they amend that thing, now me supervise ICU for VI here, their COVID ICU during that time. So all these things where we say government go can't do budget, then go carry money put. You understand? Nobody know how the money take waka. It don't make sense.
It don't make sense. So.
We when we say we they work. Now people they plan our salary. How you go tell me say person we don't finish medical school, even though say our training there affordable, but the person don't already suffer. Get my say after this thing say he go feed himself, supporting family. You go come out, you can't they ridicule the person. The person know if he pay house rent. Some doctors no even get bicycle. We don't even waka. You see nurse assistants. For even South Africa, where we go one thing that time, nurse assistants in the right brand new car. It dey heartbreaking where we say you come your own country, no even buy golf. Then the other thing where we say the people eye or they supposed to eye be say our work. Many quackery don't take over our work. Many quackery. When I mean quackery, both doctors, they get quack doctors, they get many people, like quack doctors, I mean, they say some people no finish medical school.
Not be lie.
But they did this Lagos, they practice.
Not be lie.
So if if a nurse, for instance, where I be like this, where I can't get big belly, go sit down for one office, they answer doctor. How this my sister and in colleagues go take the opportunity to get better work? So nobody is checkmating what is happening under. And this thing can they affect the quality of healthcare where would they get for Nigeria?
Wow.
You get places where people don't even know the school where others go. And further education, where my sister they talk about, many people never even do one single thing after their graduation.
Okay.
Many nurses just there with their license. They never do any professional course. They never get any skill acquisition just to improve waiting they happen. Okay. The same thing with many doctors. They just dey where we say anything will happen anywhere where belle face.
August Stephen, the matter not the finish. I tell you on top of Nigeria medical matter. You know, I don't carry an ear here. So in case you sit down for house, they wonder, say, why these doctors get wicked mind? My brother and my sister, they die. They no agree work. Understand, say, then self get brother, then get sister, they get person common money, give them, make them go school, go learn. Before when we say, if you dey go school, you know, be doctor work, you want to do. My mama and papa say, fit disown you. Now, people carry back here, they tell their pikin, say, you don't want to do doctor work, my brother, nobody send you, go there. Go for another work, do. Because of how things don't bad. You don't see how you don't bad inside hospital. Now make blood of Jesus. Now make blood of Jesus, now they say pass. Because I want to take a before. And they tell you, blood of Jesus, now they say pass. Because to enter hospital, guarantee no day waiting you want me. If you just the way say they want to put injection, 9 person go just snack bed, say strike don't start. Because of how bad things are. We need to look that sector well. Now, Dr. Ethel Egbekun, I don't talk to since she be resident doctor and president, Association of Resident Doctors for Igbobi. And of course, August Stephen Okpeti, when be intensive care unit nurse. I don't know, help us break down the matter when inside our health sector. So when they hear for news, say industrial courts reject, Minister of Labour talk, doctors say, make you understand how things be. Put your leg inside their shoe, put your leg inside their neck, understand whether you yourself go survive the market.